Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Bask Bank. Bask Bank is a new online bank that's been getting a lot of attention lately. They offer a variety of banking products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. But the big question is Bask Bank online only? Answer. The answer is yes, Bask Bank is online only. This means that you can't go into a physical bank branch to do your banking. Instead, you have to do all of your banking online or over the phone. Pros and cons. There are both pros and cons to being an online-only bank. Pros. Convenience. Online banks are very convenient. You can do your banking from anywhere at any time. Lower fees. Online banks typically have lower fees than traditional banks. Better interest rates. Online banks often offer better interest rates on savings accounts and CDs. Cons. Lack of physical presence. If you need to talk to a banker in person, you'll have to do it over the phone or chat online. Security concerns. Some people are concerned about the security of online banking. Is Bask Bank right for you? Whether or not Bask Bank is right for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to do your banking, then Bask Bank may be a good option for you. However, if you prefer to have a physical bank branch to go to, then Bask Bank may not be the right choice. Bask Bank products. Bask Bank offers a variety of banking products, including checking accounts. Bask Bank offers two checking accounts, the high-yield checking account and the everyday checking account. The high-yield checking account pays a higher interest rate than the everyday checking account, but it has a higher minimum balance requirement. Savings accounts. Bask Bank offers two savings accounts, the high-yield savings account and the money market account. The high-yield savings account pays a higher interest rate than the money market account, but it has a higher minimum balance requirement. Certificates of deposit. CDs. Bask Bank offers a variety of CDs with different terms and interest rates. Credit cards. Bask Bank offers two credit cards, the Bask Visa Signature Credit Card and the Bask Visa Secured Credit Card. Bask Bank fees. Bask Bank has a variety of fees, including monthly service fees. The monthly service fee for the high-yield checking account is $10. The monthly service fee for the everyday checking account is $5. Overdraft fees. The overdraft fee for the high-yield checking account is $35. The overdraft fee for the everyday checking account is $30. Out-of-network ATM fees. The out-of-network ATM fee for the high-yield checking account is $3. The out-of-network ATM fee for the everyday checking account is $2. Bask Bank customer service. Bask Bank offers customer service 24/7. You can contact them by phone, chat, or email. Bask Bank is a good option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to do their banking. They offer a variety of banking products and have excellent customer service. However, if you prefer to have a physical bank branch to go to, then Bask Bank may not be the right choice. Additional tips. Before you open a bank account with Bask Bank, be sure to read their terms and conditions carefully. You can find a list of Bask Bank's fees and rates on their website. You can also find reviews of Bask Bank on third-party websites, such as NerdWallet and Bankrate. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Bask Bank. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about Bask Bank, I encourage you to visit their website or give them a call. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.